Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your email address on Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile, which says it's 38% completed only. So under email section, you're going to click on change. So since I use my Apple ID, it's going to send the OTP there. Then you're going to insert the code. So now you guys can insert the new email you want. Then again, you're going to send OTP to your email. So you're going to have to insert the code again. So once you insert that code, they're going to verify your email. So as you can see, we've updated our email successfully. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.